Andy, can you hear me?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, today we're going to have pet 1.1, okay?
Teacher.
Yes, wait me, ha. I will share to you, Andy, pet 1.1 reading. Let us try this one. Can you see this, Andy?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, so let us have this one. Let us do the vocabulary. So, Andy, we have the word refreshment. A drink and small amounts of food that are provided or sold to people in public place or a public event. Okay, that is provided or sold to people in a public place or public event. Okay, this is refreshment like juice, like tea, like Coca-Cola. Those are refreshment. Neat. What do you mean by the word neat? It means you're tidy. Okay, you're in order. Okay, it's clean. It's not dirty. Okay. Next one, deposit. Okay, you will put a money to the bank. That is deposit. Put a money to the bank. That is deposit. Okay. Next is charge. Charge, it means charge for something, the amount of money that somebody asked for goods and services, we call it charge. Again, the amount of money that somebody asked for goods and services is, we call it as charge. Okay, that's the charge. Okay, example, you will pay, and then how much is the charge, teacher? It's 100,000 dong. You pay teacher and how much is the charge teacher? You pay 55,000 dong. Okay, next is coast. Okay, it's the land beside or near to the sea or to the oceans. That coast. Okay, what is in the coast? Okay, so you can see a lot in the coast. Okay, next is fin. Fin. It's a thin, flat. It's a thin, flat part of the fish. Okay, that is the fin. Connections are adding into that one. Orange What's not happening? Okay, so we have fin. Okay, next is snorkel. It's a tube that you can breathe. Okay, you put here. It's a snorkel. When you swim, you can breathe because you have the snorkel. Okay, this is the snorkel, Andy. Okay, this is the fin of the fish. And Andy, this is the coast. Okay, it's the line beside or near the ocean. Okay, the coastline. This is the coastline. Okay, so the fin and the snorkel. When you swim, you will gonna use this one. This is the fin of the shark. Okay?
Okay.
Now, Andy, please example Andy this one. This is the example. So you will choose what do you think is the meaning for this one. Okay?
Okay.
Please read and understand, Andy. This is not like pet. This is quite hard. Okay, please read and understand. Okay, please read and understand.
Teacher, I don't see anything.
Oh, you didn't say anything?
Okay,
Thank
teacher.
you, ma'am. Okay, so this one. You tell me if you see now.
Okay, teacher.
Trông Thảo gì chưa?
Dạ.
Bác Thảo đây. Cái thằng ấy nó không thì không thể tả. Chiều mà chưa sự hắn tưởng là mẹ cho qua, không có chuyện nó qua. Okay. So your
Okay.
case, okay, your £6 deposit for locker case won't be refunded if the case are lost. Okay, what is it? The answer is letter. Okay, the answer is letter C. We cannot return your £6 deposit if you, oh, very good, Andy. Wow. Joe, can you get me the Fast Boys t-shirt from the concert tomorrow? I like the purple ones, but another color is okay. If they haven't got one in my size, thanks. Correct. Yay. Andy, you understand, Andy. This is already pet, but you're doing great. Yay. Okay, this one. Sorry.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay. Class 5 garden party, 17th of July, 3:30 p.m. Because of the bad weather, tomorrow's party will now be in school hall. Please give party food and drink to Mrs. Bloom by 11 a.m. So, what has changed about class 5 party? What is your answer? The Okay, the place. Okay, instead in the garden, the weather is bad, so it's in the school hall. Okay. Becky, don't forget your aunt's change coming to stay tonight. So can you make sure the house is neat when you go off this afternoon? Mom. Mom is writing to what? To ask Becky to tidy the house before she leaves. Okay. Next one, Andy. Okay, please read and understand.
Okay, teacher. I'm finished.
Okay, so school fitness center. Okay, from the end of August, during fitness center will be closed during the weekend and evening. So the school fitness center will what? Change its opening hours and be at the end of August. Okay, so the fitness center will be closed during weekend and evening. So the opening hours is changing. Okay, from weekend and evenings. Yeah. Okay, please try and look at the sentences below about family, kids to see dolphins. You read the text to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. If it is correct, Andy, mark A. If it is not correct, mark B. Okay? This one. You read properly, Andy, ha? Read properly.
Okay, teacher, I'm finished.
Okay. A, correct. Okay. Wrong, wrong. Okay. This 15. Okay, it's correct. You've got check. This is check. Okay, this one. Wait me. Okay, correct, correct. Okay. Okay, so one, two, three, four, five correct, Andy. Okay, so I know you find this hard. Find it hard, Andy? You find it hard? Haha. You find it hard?
Yeah,
Okay, so this
teacher.
one. Okay, this one, the last one. Please try to answer this one. Okay, please erase.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So here, what is Jessica trying to do in her essay? Okay, the essay of Jessica is Want to Watch. This is about the big fun films featuring the Spy James Band. Okay. So Jessica is trying to explain about give balanced view. Okay. What can a reader find out from Jessica's essay? Okay. Letter D, whether she thinks Daniel Craig is the best James Bond. Okay, so Andy, I will give this topic for you so you can study in advance, okay? Please
Yeah.
study in advance for this one. Okay, we will only have one class for today, and then I will give this topic for you in advance so that you can study, okay? Wait
Yeah.
me, ha. Please study this in advance, Andy, okay? Thank you so much, Andy, for tonight. And goodbye, Andy. See you on tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.